Chicas, senoritas, and you dudes too. Come on, stop. What up, though? Hey, how you doing? Konnichiwa. Come on, talez-vous. Ni hao, ma. All that good stuff. Hey, how you doing? How your toes doing? How mama and them doing, girl? How them nails doing? You keeping them nails clean and tight? That's good. All right, now let's get on with the video, okay? Now, I just want to say welcome to the Nut House. You know, if you're new here, you're going to pull up a chair, girl, and you join this circle. Because over here, we are as one. Hey, that's me and my husband's song. Y'all know that song? We are one. Hey, yeah. Oh, that's probably before some of y'all time. Anyway, look, check it out. Anyway, so look, chick. I'm not studying y'all today. I'm not doing this today. I'm just not doing this today. We're not going to keep on having my tongue fall all over my face. And I'm talking all out the side of my neck in this video. That's just not going to happen today. I'm so tired of doing these videos and I can't talk straight, girl. Anyway, look, this gonna be the kit that I will be using today. This is a Makartt Polygel nail kit. And what I want to do is show y'all how I build my apex with polygel. This is a requested video. All right, so we're gonna get on down with the get down. All right. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply me some nail tips because me and dual forms does not get along. So me and polygels, if you guys been rocking with me, you know these here. Arch enemies cannot do it, baby. Ain't gonna be able to do that one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply me some nail tips to my little fingers here. But I'm gonna go in with this here base top coat here, okay? And we're also gonna use this here what top coat. Top it off. All right, and this is just a base coat, base gel. All right, and that's top coat. All right, so look, cause I'm all over the place here. Okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna use this here Makartt picker. Again, you know this is the picker. All right, and this here is the brush. Okay. All right. Now, I think that's all I need here. I'm going to go ahead and apply my nail tips and the first layer of the base coat. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. Okay. Now, I purchased my nail tips. I know a lot of you ladies be asking me where I get my nail tips from. I purchased these nail tips from my local nail supply store. Okay, so now since I have my tips all applied to my fingers here and I have applied my base gel, I'm going to add some 70% alcohol to this little jar here as my slip solution. This will be my slip solution. Okay. And yeah, so let's get started building these here apexes. And again, I'm going in with white polygel. Okay, so I'm gonna add some of this here white Makartt. Add some white to the picker here. Not that much. Okay, must be something in the polygel picks up. White polygel picks up everything. Picks up everything. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start right here where my tip, where I blended my tip. I'm gonna lay the polygel down like that. Okay. See, it's a hump. It's a hump. Anyway, so I'm gonna then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna build my apex. Let me try and see if I can get you from. Hold on, my battery going dead. Jeez. Oh. Okay, so I have it right here on the tip. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and flatten it out. Let me hold it to the side so you can see what I'm doing here. Even it out on both sides, and then I just take it, I leave that hump right there and I just walk it straight on down. See, once I take it to the edge, I fold it over like that. I get my picker and I take the remaining polygel that's on the tip there, and I bring it back up here. It's the same product. It's a little messy, but it's a dirty job. Somebody has to do it, you know? Apex. So if you flatten your apex when you very first start, don't worry, because you can always go back and rebuild it. See how I'm just taking it now? I'm taking it, I'm flattening it out a little bit now, but I'm pushing this here part back to my cuticle just so I can keep that apex. Now this next nail, I'm going to show you how to build a nail without an apex. Polygel nail without an apex. Oops. Slip solution. My alcohol running down my finger. Alright, drag it down, and I just drag it down the nail just to even it all out. That's all. So for me, I like my nails to be a little thicker because they are longer. So what I would do is I would add just a little bit more polygel, like right up in here. Okay, so I'm gonna add just a tad bit more right here. Close to the edge of the nail. I'm making it messy. Close to the edge of the nail. I'm add just a little bit more right there, just to thicken the nail up. Just my own personal preference. Like if you like your nails thinner, then you can keep them thinner. Me, I like them just a little bit thicker. Wait, let me take this down just a little bit because it is kind of too bulky down here. Alright, I did. Alright, I'm going to take this here and place it on that nail. No need of wasting product. Alright, and that is my apex. Alright, so now I'm going to build this nail right here without an apex to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is what I mean. You see how this here has an apex? See how the apex is built up in this nail, and this here one is just really flat? So this happens. I just cured them. I didn't even file them or anything like that. I just want to show you the difference. But if you do just apply the polygel straight to the nail and you find yourself without an apex, you can go in, you can build yourself one. Just grab some more gel. And take it and put it right here in the middle. Right here. Like right there. Kind of messy. Okay. And you just build yourself an apex. Go right over and build yourself an apex. So you will know, looking at your nail at all angles, whether or not that's the look you're going for. So just take your time, pat it out, and you get yourself an apex. Alright, look at this. Look at this. This is why y'all ask me, why do I wear gloves? Girl, look at that. That was on my skin. I go crazy right now. I don't even know how this got on me. Have no idea, hunty. Alright, y'all, so here go the nails after they've been cured. I know they look a little cuckoo for cray cray, but I'm going to go on in and file them down and we're going to get them together. And I'm going to go in and file them. Show you how I file my apex. Let's start off up here though. Got my cuticle just to go around it with this here drill bit to even everything up. Okay. Okay. Yeah. All right, put on this middle finger. This is how I keep my apex, okay? Just go across it lightly, like that, okay? And it is very easy to file your apex away. Again, I say if you do, you just go back and rebuild it back up. All right, now I redefine my shape here. Okay. Okay, y'all, so this is my final look right here after I added the top coat and the cuticle oil to the nails, and after filing them down, this is it. This is how I build my apex with polygels, okay? Now, I need you, if you have not hit that notification bell, girl, go ahead and ring my bell, all right? Ring my bell, ring my bell. That way you'll get notified whenever I get ready to upload another video, okay? All right, girl. Anyway, so check it out. I need to also ask y'all, I need you to go down there and put down in that description bar what type of videos y'all want to see from your girl, because I'm gonna tell you like this here, okay? I was going through my analytics the other day, and I noticed that I don't get too many views on my videos, and the views that I do get from numerous of you guys, y'all just speed right on through my videos, which is flip-flopping my view count. Sorry about that, because my camera cut off on me. So yeah, so my view count is very, very low, and I was, you know, really trying to contemplate whether I should just go ahead and throw in a towel with this whole YouTube thing, because my whole idea of me getting on YouTube in the first place is to come on here and have a little fun. But you know, you don't want to have fun by yourself, you want folks to watch it, you know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know what y'all want to see, and if that works out for me, and I may stick on in there, but if not, I may have to just go ahead and just throw in the towel here on YouTube, because it's starting to really not work out for me. It's just not my niche, okay? So now look at here, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here video. With that being said, I'm gonna send big hugs and many blessings out to you, and you. And if ain't nobody ever told you they love you today, guess what, girl? Miss Reese loves you, okay? And whatever you is, do, however, whatever. Dude, ain't nobody told you they love you, guess what? Reese over here love you. Alright, y'all. In a minute, that's my time. I'll get back with y'all in another video. Alright.